Hello everyone. In the previous video I discussed why this error happening. An error occurred while initializing the YouTube player. In Android, YouTube player API is not working. So in this video you are going to see how we can fix this issue with another solution. That means this YouTube player API cannot be used further. It is totally deprecated. Okay, we are going to use a web view. So let me go ahead and show you. Here we can open full screen and it's working. This is a iframe based embed video. Okay, now you have to download this custom web chrome client Java class and the main activity. You have to copy this custom web chrome client into your package and make sure you rename your package name, this package name with your package name. Okay, otherwise it will end up with the error. And you can refer this main activity. In this activity you will see this WebView variable declaration. You have to put that in your code and set WebView equals to find view by id, providing the id of your layout component. So what is it? You will see this activity underscore main.xml file in the video description. Otherwise you can just go ahead and code this simple stuff WebView and providing the id of it and providing the width as match parent and providing the height. In this case I provided the match parent. Otherwise you can just say some random height for that. For example, here I provided 300 dp. Now you can see the screen height is limited. Now if I press full screen, it is coming to the full screen. That's completely okay. I think I clicked some YouTube button there. Let's say okay. And in the main activity I linked this variable name with my layout component here. After that I am setting the JavaScript enabled get settings.javascript enable of WebView and the setting the WebView client as a new WebView client here of the WebView. And finally please do this WebView.set web chrome client. In the parentheses you have to say new, our custom web chrome client Java class name, and parentheses, inside parentheses you have to provide your current context. In this case my Java class name is main activity.java. Otherwise you can provide your Java class name. If you are using fragments you can use get activity. Here get activity method will provide the current context and parentheses. Okay, and here I hard coded my video ID. You can dynamically change that. For example, using intents you can provide the video ID from the previous activity. You can do that. I hope you can do that. And here we have hard coded the HTML iframe code. Okay, here I am allowing this iframe to come to full screen by saying allow equals to full screen. And here I dynamically pass in the video ID into this HTML string. And finally I am loading the data with base URL into my web view from this HTML code. That's it. And finally I included this on back press to allow user to press the back button if they accidentally click on this YouTube button, and if they visited into YouTube they should come back. And if I press the back button again, the application is stopping that because this on back press is executed. Okay, the last thing you have to do in your Android manifest.xml, you have to make sure you For example, if I remove this, let me go ahead and show you. Okay, now let me go ahead and press this full screen button. As you can see, this is not properly working. Here there are some space going blank. So as the solution, we have to add this code that we removed. Android colon config changes equals to orientation and screen size. You have to provide that, and let me go ahead and run again. Make sure you are adding this line of code into the section of your activity declaration in the manifest. For example, my web view is in this main activity, that's why I added that into here. Now if I play this video, here the full screen is properly working. Okay, that's fine. And remember to include this permission, users permission, android colon name, and android dot permission dot internet. It is just a normal thing when you are accessing internet services. Okay, now I think everything is covered, and you can refer this XML file also. I will include all the files that you had to download in the video description as a drive link, so you can refer that. Okay, alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you very much.